Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Higher highs and higher lows, volume remains strong, so this chart just continues to boom. And one of these that might actually go from being pennies to dollars. I mean, you hear that all the time in the world of penny stocks. Oh, this thing is going to dollar land. Well, this one might actually do it. It's knocking on the door, so we'll see what happens with it on Friday. But a lot of updates here need to be made. First, I'm going to do some house cleaning. Actually, I'm going to get rid of both these levels. I mean, both these levels still do pertain. They're just not relevant, which really just illustrates how big of a move today was to make both those areas relevant moving forward. So we'll just start fresh because I don't want, from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But one of the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal level, which say, Clay, what make this chart look the absolute best going forward? And that would be if the price can stay above 85 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 85, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that level, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, because I get it, the price is way up there, that line's way down there. But as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. I can best visualize that. That is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above 85 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance, as I've said in the past and will continue to say, they just don't matter. What matters the most is what the price has been doing and continues to do, and that's that right there. Just build those higher lows. So as long as these stair-steps continue to be constructed in the upward direction, then given enough time, everything else will eventually take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.